Hey guys, hope you're doing good. So in today's video we'll be talking about an AI tool that can convert your face from this to this. You will type Vidmage AI and you go to the first link that appears on the screen, and from here you can go to login. So I've registered myself, so I'll simply continue with Google, and that's how I'm logged in into this Vidmage AI. So after you're logged in, you'll see this kind of an interface. You can use this AI tool to generate 15 images for free on a daily basis. So these are the options that are widely available for everyone, but if you're a Mac user, then you can have some additional features, that is live face swap and facial feature swap. So let's talk about them in the Vidmage application for MacBook. You can download the application from here. After you are done with the download, you can simply put these both applications here in the applications, and then you are good to go. So you will install the application and then you will open the application like this, and this would be the interface. You will use the same credentials as you used on the website. So first you will import the video. Let's say this is my video. So here you can use two options. The first one is complete face swap. So you will select the image and here you get the complete face swap. And when you select this image, then you can see there is another swap for this image. And here you can see once you select this complete image, that means that you are going with this option. Okay, you must keep in mind. And if you want to select any specific feature of the image, then you can select, for example, I'm selecting the eyes, so it is only selecting the eyes, and if I select nose, then it's only impacting the nose, and similarly. Okay, I need to uncheck rest of them if I only want mouth. So this is how you can use this application. And the other thing is multiple images. For example, if you have multiple faces in the video, you can select and swap the images. For example, if for this person I select this image, and if there is another video or another person in the video, then I can select the same image or a different image for that person. So this is how I can do a video live swap in the application if I have a MacBook. So you also need to know that although Vidmage offers a free face swap for videos and photos in the website, but to use this application you need to subscribe it, and the subscription is not that much high. So if you are interested in using this tool or swapping your image or videos like this, then you can use this AI tool. Another thing that I can do is swap my face in a live video call. Yes, I can do that. So for example, I'll go to Vidmage camera, I'll go to open, and here it will give me this option. Then I'll go to install camera extension and I'll press OK. Here you get the option camera extensions. Just click on this eye sign and here you turn it on. So once it's turned it on, you press done, you got it, and then you start Vidmage camera. So once you start Vidmage camera, this is me. So you can use this Vidmage camera to change your face from this to this. You can use it to play with it, and this is actually the face of Mr. Bush, so I look like him. And you can also change your eyes only. For example, with this facial feature mask, I can only change my eyes, I can only change my nose, I can only change my mouth. So yeah, multiple options, you can play with it. Now this is my Vidmage camera, and now let's say I go to a Zoom call, and on the Zoom call, when I click here, I get this option of Vidmage camera, and when I select Vidmage camera, then I can change my picture from this to this. And then I come to my video, Zoom call, I change my image, I change my face. So this is how I can use this Vidmage AI tool to change my face from date to this. So these are some of the uses of Vidmage AI, and that's how you can use it. So if you like this tool, you can definitely go for the paid version. Otherwise you can play with it, play with this tool on the free version as well. So thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye and take care.